In the quaint seaside town of Pebblebrook, nestled amidst charming cottages and the soothing rhythm of the waves, lived a ginger cat named Whiskers. Unlike any ordinary cat, Whiskers held an extraordinary passion for art. His owner was a retired art teacher named Mr. Thompson, who often watched in amusement as Whiskers perched on his easel, intently observing the marvel of brushstrokes and color mixtures. One fine day, Mr. Thompson surprised Whiskers with a gift, a set of miniature paints and brushes. Whiskers was ecstatic. His eyes shone brightly as he explored his new set, his whiskers trembling with anticipation. No time was wasted as his paws masterfully danced around with the brushes, transforming the plain canvas into an explosion of vibrant colors. Whiskers' paintings were nothing short of a wonder. They breathed life into the seaside town's essence, capturing the whimsical hues of the sunset and the serene beauty of the moonlit nights. As news of Whiskers' talent spread throughout Pebblebrook, art admirers from all corners of the town gathered at Mr. Thompson's gallery to marvel at his creations. But it did not stop there. Whiskers' fame extended beyond Pebblebrook, and his art was showcased at prestigious exhibitions around the country. Critics were taken aback by his unique point of view and his knack for conveying emotion and depth through his brushstrokes. Whiskers, the once ordinary house cat, had risen to fame. He was now a celebrated artist, emblematic of creativity and passion.